Hello everybody and welcome to another video with us. Yes, we're back. We had a great holiday. I went to Wales for a week and then Breen, Costa del Breen, very nice. And Keith just spent 2 weeks at home drinking, but he's sober now. He's back and we're ready to start working. Before we went away, we painted all the workshop and cleaned it all up, so it's all looking good now, which is brilliant. So here is an intro you've probably not heard for a while. Welcome to Odd Autos. This is Custom or Classic. That's right, we're going to get back on with our Mk2 Escort. So if you remember in the Custom or Classic series, we did our 1600 Sport Classic restoration. It was a big job, but it turned out mint. We're going to put that in the raffle, so we need a custom one to go with it. And another thing with the raffle side, a couple of weeks and the website will be done, is the good news. The bad news, well, mainly for me, cost 7,000 quid plus VAT to get a website done. You've got another 2,000 plus VAT, like solicitors' fees. Then you've got monthly charges and monthly bug fixes and all, it adds up. So we need to start doing at least a car a month, properly, doing it mint, to get it out there, to get this raffle working properly. So the car's unfortunately been sat in the back. Anything that's hanging around just get dumped in it. Where we rubbed the bodywork down, it's got a bit of surface rust on it. So Keith and Simon are gonna dig it out. Well, I tell you what we're gonna do with it. So we know the 5-cylinder engine that was gonna go in it, we're gonna stick it in our Mk1 camper now, which is actually at the shop blasters at the moment. So this car, engine-wise, I want it so it can be used every day. So I want a nice, smooth engine that you can just potter around with, but then has got some power if you wanna give it some. So we're gonna go for probably a 2-litre Duratec, running throttle bodies with a 5-speed Type 9 onto an English axle. Bodywork-wise, we're gonna fit a roll cage, some nice seats, good harnesses, and also we've got a genuine X-Pack body kit which we're going to fit to it. So Keith and Simon have nearly got the car out. Let's push it on the ramp and have a look at it. Hey, I timed that just right, didn't I?
That was per bloody norm.
Wow, doesn't it look a mess?
Yeah, it's not good, mate.
What do you reckon, first plan of attack?
Get all the surface rust off it.
Yeah?
Yeah, just de-ate off with a bit of 80 and then get it back to the nice shiny metal again.
Yeah, it's a shame it's obviously got a bit of damp on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that first. Simon?
Yeah, there's a few holes where they chiseled holes out on the rear shelf for speakers.
That's chewed, it's little teeth marks. It's like rat's teeth through
Twizzle.
metal, isn't it?
There's like 600 million drill holes.
That must have took them like ages.
Sorry. I couldn't hold that one.
That's the first time Simon spoke up loud. Yeah, sound. All right then, DA-ing, welding, I'll go and order some bits.
Yeah, and then after Simon's done the welding, we'll strip the
Car down, yeah.
car down and then get it on the table.
Sound.
All right, off you go again then.
Yeah, get cracking.
See you when we're done.
Right, that's it then. So that's starting to, oh no, it's just dust.
Yeah,
Let me know, is that from the welding? I don't know why I just licked that either. Let's get it up on the ramp then, strip it down. So we've noticed front chassis legs bent. So I've ordered 2, they're gonna come hopefully tomorrow. So we're gonna get it on our table and see if it's the same layout as the Mk1.
Are they the strengthened ones you've ordered?
Yeah, the thick doodahs. So yeah, let's get it up and strip it, and then we've got to, I hope you're feeling strong, we'll lift it on the table. Right, let's get the pads, let's get it up. Get it up, get it up. Right, now it's on the table. Should we get all the legs in, get it set up and see what's bent?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
See where everything is.
Right, so we've got the inner wing lined up and really? Sorry, I shouted then. Okay, whilst that noisy shit's out there playing on his go-kart and we're doing all the work. So we've got the inner wing on, chassis leg on. Now we've got to take them all back off and clean up where we're going to weld and then fit everything back on again and also put the wing and the front panel on to make sure everything lines up. So let's get it done, shall we?
Get it off again then.
Get it off again. On, off, on, off. You've got the front panel there, and that gap to the wing there is sort of up here. So it's fitted rather well. You see that we've done something wrong, which, yeah. Should be right up to this sill piece, but as you can see, it's not. But we can sort it.
Well, the chassis leg and in the wing in.
Yeah, front panel off, wing off, and some weldings.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
So we had to stop the video a second for some sad news. A colleague that's been with us from the start, from that first video back in 2018 that I did at home, has sadly bit the dust. RIP the Canon XF400. It's done us proud. It's the dirty camera we use in the paint booth to film Keithy spraying the cars. It's had the most abuse. It's only been dropped 10 times or something like that. And today, finally, I think it's like a filter inside. It's making everything purple. So, it needs a good burial.
Yeah.
Right, back to work. That'll do, that'll do. Noisy. Try and do an outro. Right, that's it for this video. That's all we got time for. Hope you enjoyed it. Different type. Shush. Different style of editing on this one. A bit more cool and some fun bits in it. So let us know your thoughts on that and your thoughts on the Mark II. Are we going in the right direction? I think a good, easy driver but quick car is the way to go. So that's it for this video. So from me, I'll say see you again, and from you two, bye. Shh, shh. Right, see you on the next one. Different type. Shush. What was I saying?
More tea, Vicar.
More tea.